Happy birthday to you, shining star, may your dreams come true. No matter how far, you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you. Don't you know you're kind, you're strong with a heart of gold. You brighten up life's you we behold. Every step you take, catching everyone's eye. You're a beacon of love, let your spirit soar high. Your laughter is infectious, it fills the air with joy that's contagious. We all gladly share your presence, happiness overflows.
Hi, Quinces or Kikay. Ako to si Papa. Happy birthday, anak. Sorry kasi hindi mo kasama si Papa ngayong birthday mo. Sorry din kasi wala maibigay. Si Papa pang handa mo. Always remind, mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal ko kayong magkakapatid. Miss na miss ko na kayo. Happy birthday ulit, Kikay ko.